What's up, science crew? I wanted to make a quick tutorial to help you with the PhET simulation build a molecule. So if you're choosing to do the digital version of this lab, this is to help you. So first, obviously, you're going to click on the link that I gave you. I don't know why it keeps taking us here, but it does. And if it does, go to build a molecule. Okay, and then you're going to hit the download button. Now you'll notice down here on the left hand side you're going to see where it says keep or discard. We want to keep, and then this is going to load a little JavaScript thing that's going to happen here, and then you're going to click on that and it's going to open it up. Okay, and then you get the window here where you're going to be building molecules, and you can see that it says kit. So you have kits, so you have like these little buckets of atoms, if you will. And then what you're going to do is drag the atoms onto the screen and arrange them and see what happens. Like, see if they click. And then it gives you a hint. Drag your molecule here. Hopefully you can figure that out. Yay me. Okay. And then I just have one oxygen, and I can't really do anything with that yet. Okay, so I'm going to click next. Your goal is to build these molecules, by the way. Next kit. So maybe I decide that I want to build water, because up here it says water, H2O. And that blue icon tells me where it should locate. Okay, and then if I want, I can click on 3D. It'll load the 3D and show me what the molecule will actually look like. And this is what we call a space filling model. You can switch it over to ball and stick model. It's just different ways of representing how bonds and atoms look together in a molecule. Now, if I want to separate them, you see the scissors, clip, clip. It's highly satisfying. Okay, so you're trying to fill this collection, and there's other things you can do here with larger molecules if you wanted to. Stick with the basics first and then try, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of help on how to start using the Build a Molecule sim.